Hello and welcome back. We now take an example from differentiation, and the question here is the derivative of x square into log x is. So we assign the given function as y. So let y be equal to x square into log x. And now we differentiate with respect to x. We obtain dy by dx is equal to. Now here we apply the product rule, which is the first term into derivative of the second term, that is x square into log x, derivative of log x, plus second term into derivative of first term. So that is log x into derivative of x squared. So we have applied the product rule over here. Proceeding further, we get x square into, now derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x square is 2x. Now we could cancel off 1x over here, so we are left with x plus, and this could be written as 2x into log x. Now if we take x as the common factor, if x is taken as the common factor, we obtain dy by dx as x into 1 plus 2 times log x. So this is the value for dy by dx, and the answer to this question is option C.